Hello guys! Good morning! This vlog, naanasag po galaag sa Palawan, Philippines. I never expected this trip to happen at all. After almost 3 years living in Korea, finally, nakauli ko sa akong hometown in Cebu City. Since my sister's husband is from Palawan and he also works as a tour guide and driver in a tourist van, they convinced me to go on a short vacation just to make my stay in the Philippines worth it. When we arrived in Palawan, after dinner sa Baywalk, nag-grocery dayon me para ready na for tomorrow's El Nido island hopping. So now my second day, it's our island hopping day. From Puerto Princesa to El Nido, it takes around 5 hours of travel. Yes, ingon ana jud siya kalayo ba? Bahala na adventure is life! Pag abot na mo sa accommodation, nag-prepare na mi for El Nido's island tour. Then, first stop sa travel and tour office for the payment. We know what package we're going to avail. After that, nagtanaw-tanaw pud mi cute stuff for souvenir. Mi padulong sa boat docking area. Nag-wait sa among bangka para sa island hopping tour. Pag abot na mo sa bangka, gi-explain sa among guide ang rules and tips para safe ug lingaw ang among island hopping adventure. Some people say, mas ma-feel daw nimo ang Palawan kung mag-island hopping daw. So go! Excited na pud mi mag-explore sa different kind of island. The package we avail is Package A. We avail the joining with the 5 amazing destinations: 7 Commando Beach, Chimiso Island, Secret Lagoon, Big Lagoon, Payong Beach. Ang adult price kay 1,200 plus fees para sa ecotourism development fee. Big Lagoon, 400 pesos. Then sa Lagoon user fee is 200. So overall total per adult is 1,800 pesos. Plus one child, 50% discount. Overall we paid 3 adults and 1 child, 6,600 pesos. The inclusion of the package: lunch, Filipino cuisine, buffet, with lots of fresh seafood right on the boat. Satisfy kayo akong cravings, uy! Each island has its own charm. Being here with my sister's family make it even more special. Every moment, dili jud malimtan. After an awesome island hopping tour in El Nido, we made quick stop at Nakpan Beach Resort. Clear blue waters, soft sand, and so relaxing. Salamat kayo for joining us today. It's been fun exploring the island, snorkeling, and now ending with a peaceful until our next adventure. Keep exploring. Bye El Nido!